Oh man, so go out the other night. Everything that's been hooked up and changed and all that kind of stuff, working great, right? Decide to do one more hit, just to make sure, and it almost ended up being the WhiteHorse last hit. So riding down, long story short, throttle gets stuck on a screw that came loose, which has been fixed. Oh my goodness. But anyway, throttle gets stuck. First tried to unlodge the throttle, punching on the throttle. I'm talking about basically trying to put it through the floor and let it go punch of times, just trying to get it to release itself, right? That didn't work. Slamming on the brakes, even though I got the super big brakes, that didn't work. Car is just overpowering all that. Then thought to myself, man, you know what? Trans brake button, hook up reverse. I'll just cook the transmission. That didn't work. Finally, remember, I'm EFI now. I'm not mechanical. Before, everything was mechanical. Even if you turn the key back, the car would basically still run if it had motion, right? But finally turn the key back, and then car slows down and stops. But since it wasn't my first thought to turn the key back, I had already cooked the transmission. So no reverse, no overdrive, no third. So guess that means it's time for a refresh. And that's what this video is gonna be. You ready?
So what all I need? What all I need? You know, so I was thinking about this right here because it's all heat check. Definitely another Belleville spring. It's a Belleville spring. Clutches and steel for your this your for your reverse. These are forwards. one right here look good. Yeah.
Well, shoot everything up out of that mug. Everything up out of there. Everything on the table. Let's get this thing put back together. Had to bring it to the other spot. It's kind of messy. So we hit 3 different transmission parts stores. You know, Ford stuff ain't like you Chevy guy stuff. Everybody carries the Chevy stuff, but the Ford stuff you gotta go searching for sometimes. So got what we needed. Gonna put it back together, get it back in the car, and make sure that screw still on there. But you know, we're gonna put it back in, put everything back together, make a couple more test hits, make sure we screwed in this time. But I mean, really, I don't know if y'all really been paying attention, but last 3 times out, ever since we added the trans brake, we have not been able to make a full A to B pass yet. First time was the distributor and the trans brake was in my hand. Second time was the turbo piping, so wasn't making it to the 330 under full power. Then this last time was the injector being loose, so down a whole cylinder. So it still hasn't made a full pass with the trans brake. So I mean, if you thought it was fast before, whew. So I'm ready to see it. That's all I'm gonna say. But I probably won't do no video putting the transmission back together or putting it in. Probably the next thing will be either some test hits out at the track or something like that. So I'll see y'all in a bit.